Hello and welcome for a 3D card designer. I'm not the 3D card designer, but we will make a 3D card here. So this is a very simple design with no plan, nothing else than just my mind and a Subdify modifier. I then used 4 cylinders to make the 4 holes for the wheels, a plane for the face shield for the face window, and then the 4 side windows were made using mirrors. So I would have better used some modifiers to make it completely just stick onto the sides, but I don't know how to do that for now. And this is just my second type of cars that I ever made. Then you will have 1 or 2 videos on other cars that I made for the next weeks. And then I will just stop cars for just planes and other animated scenes. I made some lights on the front and on the rear for the car to be seen on the distance. It's important. And of course the ID plate. The paint is very simple. I didn't use any smooth shading or other. I would have used that if I knew it existed, but I didn't use that. And because I don't use quite a lot of tutorials to just design, it's just hard to find some things like that. So if you're a 3D designer, you can just leave me tips in the comment or just subscribe to see how I'm going right now, because I'm just publishing 1 video a week. The wheels are very simple, but at least it works. I then used a long and big surface to make the ground, and I'm using of course RBC car add-on for free for the car rig. It makes me able to make the car move, but I would have used the pay version if I made a lot of cars, but right now for 2 or 3 cars it's not worth it to pay for that. I will leave you with the animation. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing.